At first, the shrimp look finished. Clean, pink, perfectly peeled. Thousands of pieces move across the line like a river of seafood. Every few seconds, another tray is filled. Another pack is sealed. Another box is ready to leave the Korean factory. But the most unreal part is not the packaging. The most unreal part happens earlier, when raw shrimp enter a system built for speed. Shells are removed in seconds. Workers guide the flow with calm hands. Machines pull, wash, sort, and separate with quiet precision. A product that began wet, gray, and covered in shell slowly becomes the shrimp people find in stores and restaurants. To understand how that happens, the process has to go back to the beginning. Before the peeling, before the freezing, before the perfect package. Everything starts with raw shrimp arriving at the factory door.
The first real step is not peeling. The first step is control. Raw shrimp can carry in shells.
The first real step is not peeling. The first step is control. Raw shrimp can carry broken shells, sand, ice, and pieces that are too small or too damaged for the final product. The factory has to remove all of that before speed becomes useful. Cold water flows over the shrimp. The shells become clean and glossy. Workers watch for anything that does not belong. Some shrimp are separated by size. Some are sent away for other products. The best shrimp continue forward. The line looks simple from a distance, but every stage has a purpose. Water removes grit. Baskets drain extra moisture. Vibrating belts spread the shrimp into a thin layer. Nothing is rushed by hand, but nothing stops either. The raw ingredient is being prepared for the fastest part of the process.
Now the shrimp reach the part that gives the process its speed. The heads must be removed. The shells must be loosened. The meat must stay whole.
Now the shrimp reach the part that gives the process its speed. The heads must be removed. The shells must be loosened. The meat must stay whole. In a small kitchen, peeling shrimp takes time. In this Korean factory, the work becomes a rhythm. Rollers grip the shrimp at just the right pressure. Water pushes the pieces forward. Soft rubber surfaces help pull the shell away without crushing the meat. Workers do not peel every shrimp one by one. Workers guide the shrimp, correct the flow, and remove pieces that the system misses. At full speed, several lines can process thousands of shrimp in a single minute. The speed feels unreal because the movement is calm. Nothing looks violent, everything looks measured. Shells fall away. Clean shrimp meat begins to appear.
Peeling is only the middle of the transformation. The shrimp still need to be cleaned more deeply. Some factories remove the dark vein with special cutting tools and water pressure.
Peeling is only the middle of the transformation. The shrimp still need to be cleaned more deeply. Some factories remove the dark vein with special cutting tools and water pressure. The cut must be shallow. The shrimp must stay curved and whole. After that, the shrimp are rinsed again, because tiny shell pieces can hide in folds of the meat. The line becomes slower here, but more careful. Workers check the shape. The shrimp that pass inspection move toward heat. In the cooking tanks, the color changes fast. Gray becomes pink. The meat tightens. Steam rises from the stainless steel vats. In just a few minutes, the shrimp stop looking like a raw ingredient. The shrimp begin to look like food.
The cooked shrimp cannot stay warm. Warm seafood loses texture quickly, and the factory has to lock the shape in place. The shrimp move into cold water.
The cooked shrimp cannot stay warm. Warm seafood loses texture quickly, and the factory has to lock the shape in place. The shrimp move into cold water and then into a chilling tunnel. The steam disappears. The surface becomes firm. Then comes a thin ice glaze. This glaze is not for decoration. It protects the shrimp from drying out during freezing and transport. A small layer of clean water coats each piece before the shrimp enter the freezer. Inside the freezing tunnel, cold air moves with force. The shrimp separate instead of freezing into one block. By the time the pieces come out, each shrimp is cooked, peeled, clean, cold, and ready for sorting. The raw ingredient has become a stable product.
The shrimp pass through sizing screens and weighing systems. Optical sensors check color and shape.
After freezing, the factory looks for consistency. A finished bag cannot contain random sizes. Restaurants need even pieces. Stores need each pack to look the same, so the shrimp pass through sizing screens and weighing systems. Smaller shrimp fall into one channel. Larger shrimp continue into another. Optical sensors check color and shape. Workers still watch the line because the human eye can catch small problems that machines may miss. A broken shrimp is removed. A piece with shell left behind is removed. Every accepted shrimp moves forward as part of a batch. The process is fast, but the goal is not only speed, the goal is sameness. Every piece should look like the same product, from the first pack to the last. The shrimp now enter the last part of the factory line. Packaging has to be fast, clean, and exact. Each portion falls into a tray or bag. The weight must match the product size. Air is removed or controlled. Plastic film seals the opening. The seal has to be strong enough to protect the shrimp in storage, shipping, and store freezers. The packs move past quality checks. A weak seal is rejected. A tray that is not filled correctly is rejected. Then the finished packs are arranged into rows. The product no longer looks like factory material. It looks like something ready to be bought. But before the shrimp leave the factory, the packages must be boxed, stacked, and prepared for cold transport.
At the end of the line, the shrimp are no longer handled as seafood. The shrimp are handled as finished goods. Packs slide into boxes.
At the end of the line, the shrimp are no longer handled as seafood. The shrimp are handled as finished goods. Packs slide into boxes. Boxes are stacked onto pallets. Pallets move into cold storage, where the temperature keeps the product frozen until shipping. The whole journey is easy to miss when looking at one clean pack in a store freezer. But inside the factory, that pack came from a long chain of steps: receiving, washing, sorting, peeling, deveining, cooking, cooling, glazing, freezing, weighing, sealing, boxing. The speed is impressive, but the control is what makes the process work. Thousands of shrimp can move through the line in a minute because every stage has been designed to do one small job perfectly. From raw shellfish to a finished Korean seafood product, the transformation is quiet, precise, and almost hypnotic.